This exceptional Renaissance home offers the perfect balance of luxury, comfort, and nature. Nestled in the sought-after Renaissance Pointe neighborhood, you're close to nearby parks, fantastic schools, and the neighborhood pool, with Nike, Intel, shopping and dining just minutes away. Inside, discover generous gathering spaces, rich custom woodwork, and a thoughtful design providing a wonderful sense of privacy and connection to the outdoors. The expansive cedar deck overlooks the peaceful green space, ready for outdoor dining and entertaining. At the heart of the home, the chef's kitchen features premium appliances, abundant cabinetry, and plenty of room to gather. Brazilian cherry hardwood floors lead to the formal dining room and light-filled office with built-ins. Upstairs, the spacious primary suite offers a relaxing retreat with a spa-inspired bath and a large walk-in closet, while a generous bonus room adds even more flexibility. This home of more than 4,300 square feet offers impressive space with 5 bedrooms and 4.5 baths. The daylight lower level expands the possibilities even more with extensive space, ideal for guests, movie nights, game days, or multi-generational living. Entertain on the covered deck year-round, or just relax on the lower patio in this park-like setting. With a 3-car tandem garage, dual-zone climate control, and a sound system, this home offers thoughtful features throughout. All on nearly 1/3 of an acre, backing to beautiful green space in one of Cooper Mountain's most desirable neighborhoods. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582.